In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Crypto.com. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly transfer any cryptocurrency that you have on Coinbase to Crypto.com. You will be able to do this by first setting up your Coinbase account. So make sure that you have the crypto assets that you want to send over, and whenever they are good to go already, you will be able to initiate a transfer. You will have to acquire the recipient details, aka the wallet address, from crypto.com. So go over to crypto.com, sign into your account, access your portfolio, and choose any of the assets that you have available. Whenever you choose any crypto asset from the list, you will be able to select the receive option. By choosing receive, you will now have the details needed for you to transfer the crypto assets from any service, including Coinbase. So go back inside of Coinbase and once again access the same crypto asset that you selected. Choose the send or transfer option and you will be able to input the amount of that crypto asset that you want to send over and the recipient's address, so the wallet address that you copied from crypto.com. Whenever you include the amount and the crypto asset, confirm the fees included, and then you will be able to initiate this transfer. You will receive any crypto asset that you sent over from Coinbase inside of your crypto.com account, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that both accounts were connected properly, and then you can send the rest later. But as long as you copied the wallet address properly and you included it inside of the send request on Coinbase, you will be able to get this process done and receive all of the assets inside of crypto.com. You can send any crypto asset accepted between both of these services, and you can repeat it as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Coinbase to Crypto.com. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.